I stared at the screen. It was black and white, or, as I called it, grey. I was a pedantic child. My parents said they were old films, images from long ago, so, naturally, I assumed everything was black and white. The trees, the clothes, the sky and skin. What an amazing world. When did everything change, I wondered? Did everyone just wake up and find themselves in colour? Nothing is black and white now. But I want to believe again. I want to see the world in these two shades. The orange street lamp glows as evening ripens blue. Words fall to the page, black and white.